Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of percents. Let's solve it together. In October, Helen's Market sold 25% more apples than oranges. If Helen's Market sold 500 apples that month, how many oranges did they sell? A is 300, B is 350, C is 400, and D is 450. So for the number of, or the amount of, we can say, or number of apples, let's call it number in this case, number of apples they sold. Let's call it the letter A for it. For the number of oranges sold, I want to call the letter B, not O, because A, O look alike each other. So, and there is 25% here. 25% means 25 over 100. In decimal, if we can put this as 0.25. So, if you will set up the equation, apples are A equals B amount plus B times 0.25. So this is equals to 1.25B. For the rest of the question, I'll use a different color pen. In this part of the problem, 500 apples they sold in October in Helen's Market. So I will just go ahead and substitute 500 for A. And we will try to find the value of B, which is you've been asked to find how many oranges. So we will divide both sides by 125 to get the B by itself. So, you're allowed to use your calculator. During the exam, you can use your calculator, or and then you can calculate it. But for the ones who wants to see, algebraic solution of 500 over 125, let me show you over here. It's 500 over 125 over 100, right? So this is equals to 500 over 1 times 100 over 125. So 125 is, there are 4 of them in 500. If you will simplify it, because 4 times 125 is 500, and 4 times 100 gives you 400. This is how you can calculate algebraically. But you're allowed to use your calculator anyway. And if you will divide 500 by 125, you will get 400 oranges. So, oops. Let me take this back, the last item that we did. Okay. So we'll just underline it. And the correct answer for the specific question is the choice C. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.